Good evening. How do you do? I'm so grateful to take this wonderful opportunity and welcome you back to our channel. This time around, we are dedicated to ensuring that you get the content on a daily basis so that you can be able to use it and better your performance as much as mathematics is concerned. Karibuni sana. Today we are looking at sequence and series, a Form 3 topic. Now you can be able to see the question posted on the screen is saying the sixth term of a geometric progression is 16 and the third term is 2. Determine the common ratio and the first term. We have to know that to get n term of a GP, we apply the formula A R n minus 1. It will give you the n term of the series. This is the progression, yeah. That is a series. That's the formula. To get n term of the series, so it means you must apply the formula A R raised power n minus 1, whereby A stands for the first term, R stands for the common ratio, and n stands for the term you are looking for. Here we have been told that the sixth term of a geometric progression is 16. That makes our n to be 6 when n is 6. So which term are we going to have? Is A R 6 minus 1, which is the same as A R raised power 5. So that means the sixth term is A R raised power 5. Next is the third term. That means n will be 3. Therefore, our third term will be A R 3 minus 1, which is the same as A R 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the sixth term, which should be equated to 16. This is the third term. This is the third term here, which will be equated to 2. So it means we have formed two equations. One being A raised power A R raised power 5 is equals to 16. A R raised power 2 is equals to 2. So we can make A the subject. We can say A is equals to 2 over R squared. Then we substitute it in our first equation. So you will now come here and say, instead of this A, we remove it and put 2 over R squared. So we will now say 2 over R squared into, remember we remained with R raised power 5. R raised power 5 should give you 16. So this is like saying 2R raised power 5, 2 times R raised power 5 divided by R squared is equals to 16. Now this one alone, you can use the concept of indices, which says when the bases are the same and there's a division, you can subtract the powers. Therefore we will have 2R 5 minus 2 is 3 is equals to 16. We divide by 2, we divide by 2. Therefore, our R cubic is equals to 8. R cubic becomes 8. Then we find the cube root. Find the cube root on both sides. Therefore, your R is equals to 2. So this your common ratio. Your common ratio R is now 2. We need to look for the first term. We can go back to where we made A the subject, where we said A is equals to 2 you divide by R squared, which will be the same as 2 over R is 2. You square it, you get 2 over 4. When you simplify it, you get a half. Therefore, your A is equals to a half. A is a half. A stands for the first term. R is 2. R stands for the common ratio. So this is our common ratio, and this is our first term. Our first term is a half. Our common ratio is 2. Thank you for listening to us. Kindly subscribe, keep watching, and if you have any query, make sure you drop your question on the comments. You are going to be answered immediately. We are here to serve you. Don't fear. Just be free to ask questions. We will be able to help you out. So subscribe and share the link. Bye bye. See you next time.